Hi, today let's make super tasty apple and cucumber salad, which is just done in 5 minutes. Very refreshing salad, and trust me, you'll make it on repeat. Now I've taken cucumber and cut it into julienne shape like this. Now I've taken green apple and then I've cut it into the same juliennes like this. Now, if you don't like the juliennes, you can cut it the shape which you want. You can make it cube as well. Now let's make a tasty dressing for this salad. Here I've added in olive oil. Next I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. I'm adding in some pepper. I'll be adding in some honey as well. Next I'll be adding in some salt to taste, and that's it. Whisk this dressing really very well till it's smooth and nice, and that's it. Our dressing will be ready. Now if you don't have green apple, you can skip and add in red apples as well. Green apple gives that sweet tangy kind of flavor, completely your choice. Now our dressing is ready. To the bowl where I've added in cucumber and apples, green apple, I'm just roughly chopping in some iceberg lettuce. I'm adding in some cherry tomatoes. I'll be adding in some walnuts as well. Now it's completely option. Walnuts gives a nice nutty flavor to a salad. Now I'm adding in the dressing which we previously made. Then I'll be adding in some chopped mint leaves as well. That's it. Now toss these veggies really very well with the dressing which we made, and that's it, ready to serve. If you're on a weight loss journey, or sometimes you feel like having something very light but just it needs to be made quickly and refreshing, trust me, you try this recipe and let me know your feedback on the comments below. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.